Hello everyone.
The subject code is 1BMATS101. It is for Computer Science CS. This model question paper link in bio. Now we will discuss 1A answer. Model question paper 1, model 1, 1A. Question number 1A. Question number 1B. Question number 1C. Question number 2A. Question number 2B. Question number 2C. Answer is completed.
You can take a screenshot. You can take a screenshot. You can take a screenshot. You can take a screenshot.
Still scrolling? No real skills? Meet Talent Connect. This is Talent Connect. Learn new skills, do real work, and get paid. Join the platform today and start earning. Real work, real learning. Learn, work, earn. Link in bio.